Let's talk about Gemini in 2025, a well-known platform to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Gemini is praised for its strong security measures, including insurance coverage for digital assets and strict regulatory compliance. This makes it a trusted choice for both beginners and experienced investors. The user-friendly app and website make buying crypto simple and quick, with features like recurrent buys and price alerts to help you stay on track. Gemini also offers staking options and an interest-earning account, letting you grow your crypto holdings over time. One thing to note is their fees can be slightly higher than some competitors, but you're paying for, let's say, reliability and security. That's what that covers those two cases. Overall, Gemini remains a solid, secure platform in 2025 if you want just a straightforward way to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So if you found this helpful, you know what you gotta do. You gotta please you gotta press like, subscribe, and comment on which crypto platform you want me to review next. And like always, if you do have any questions, you just drop them to us in the comment below, and we'll come back with a video or an answer to whatever we feel is the right thing to do.